Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is a short video today, fishing a local river, focusing primarily on grass and down timber. Most of my fish came on a swim jig today, but I got a couple other fish on an assortment of different lures. Pretty much a garbage fishing day, picking up fish where I could. And not one of my best days out, but you take them where you can get them. This fish right here kind of set the tone for the day. Got him in uptight, close to cover with a swim jig with crawdad trailer. I also had some pretty good success with swim baits, but the key was getting as close to the cover as I could and letting it sit there for a few seconds before retrieving.
Oh, come on. Oh, no. Knew there was a fish there.
As you can see from the previous clip, I had a bit of an issue today getting fish hooked and staying on. It seemed like they were either grabbing the trailer and then kind of tugging on their way back to the boat, letting go as they got close, or they'd come unhooked as I was fighting to get them into the boat. Most of the river rats already know this, but if you don't already have a couple, I strongly suggest picking up a couple crawdad crankbaits. They can absolutely be a savior on a tough day on the river.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, bud. chunky boy. Upsizing the 5-inch and a 1/2-ounce jig really helps. I don't know if it's just the drop or what. Bass are coming and getting it pretty much as soon as it hits the water.
Coming up on the end of the video here, just going to leave you with one more good smallmouth. Hope you all have a great week of fishing, and we'll see you next time.